W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time one is
Sing with me. Okay, count na naman si Denden. Oh, write tayo ng... Okay, ano tayo? Count tayo. 1. Write tayo ng 1.
1.
What is next? 1. Tapos, ano sunod?
2.
2. Sunod?
3.
3. Ano sunod? 4. Very good si Denden. Ano sunod?
5.
5. Oh. Lagay mo ganyan. 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 Oh, 5. Sunod?
6.
6. Oh, wala na ink. Sunod? 7.
8.
Wala na. Hindi nagagalaw. 8.
9.
9. Dito. 9. Ano sunod?
10.
Very good si Denden! Good job, Denden!
1,
Yay!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes! Very good. Okay, mag-draw na si Denden. Draw si Denden ng circle. Circle. Wow! Very good!
The square.
Very good. Ito lang ilagay mo ate dun. What is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. How about triangle?
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi mo kaya? Dito talaga siya ate. O, nagsusulat.
A triangle.
A triangle. Oh, this one, oh, bebe. Dito ikaw. Hawak ikaw dito. Dito sa kabila. Yan. Ganyan ikaw hawak ka. Oh, draw tayo ng triangle. Wow! Very good. Si Denden. Rectangle. How about the square? Square.
Square.
Ganyan lang. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Wow! Very good si Denden.
Paano gawa rectangle?
Rectangle. Ayan na oh. Gawa mo. Ikaw gawa rectangle.
The triangle.
A triangle. Ano to?
Circle.
Ito.
Square.
Very good. Ito.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good si Denden.
Triangle.
A triangle. Where is the triangle? Saan ang triangle? Yes. Ang circle. Ang triangle. Ang square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Yay. Good job si Denden.